Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope that you'll be waiting for my next lecture. And I think we were doing perimeters, area, and volumes from this book. I always show you this book, and my some student has also requested me to get the third edition as well. Uh, I have been to the old book market, but I couldn't find. So perimeter area and the exercise was, where were we? So my dear students, we were at chapter number 7 and exercise. So my dear students, we were on the exercise 7.2, and I have already completed how many questions? One and two. Two questions I have already completed, and now it's done for the third question. And these are some practical questions, and I'll just make a diagram with freehand. So this is a diagram. This is a diagram, a rectangular, and there's a hole or a circle in between this. Now all the dimensions are given, no problem whatsoever it is. Now the diameter of this circle is 3 meters. Okay, here it is 10 meters, here it is 12 meters. Now you see that everything is given in this whole figure: 3 meters, 10 meters, 12 meters, and of course maybe we have to find the area of this excluding this circle. Now maybe let me read the question. The diagram shows a plan for the rectangular garden with a circular pond. Now this is a circular pond. That means it has water in it. I suppose it has water. So let me color it. Now this is the circular pond, and is to be covered by grass. One bag of grass seed, 5 square meters of the lawn. Calculate the number of bags and seeds needed to for work. Now, in the rest of the area, now this is the rest of the area. This, all this. In the rest of the area, what we are going to do, we have to plant grass. Okay. Now, what is the grass? One bag of grass seeds. Now we have to also purchase the grass seeds. 5 square meter of the lawn. Now one bag covers how much? 5 square meter. 5 square meter. One bag covers 5 square meters. And of course, it has been asked that how many grass seed bags. Now these are the seed bags which cover, one bag covers 5 meters square, and of course we have to find how many bags do we need to plant here excluding this pond. Okay, so my dear students, let me calculate it. Now we have to find the area of this pond. Okay, the area of this pond is, now the radius is of course the half of it is, now I r square is the area of pond AP. Area of pond is pi r square. where r is equal to 1.5, and this is 3.14 multiplied. Now the 3.14 multiplied by 1.5, the whole square, because r is not given here, diameter is given, and diameter is 2r. Okay, d is equal to 2r. You must know it. D is equal to 2r in circle. Okay, now if it is 3, now this is 3 and it is equal to 2r, so r is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, 3 upon 2 is 1.5. So what we do here is 3.14 multiplied by, that is equal to 2.25. 2.25. Now this 2.25 will have to be multiplied with 3.14. It will become 7.0565 meter square. Now this is the area of pond. Okay. Now just keep it on the side. Now I have to find the rectangular area. A rectangular area is area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to 10 multiplied 12 is equal to 120. It is very easy. Now it is very easy because 10 multiplied 12, it is very simple. Length multiplied by breadth is the area. Now we have to exclude. We have to exclude the area. We have to exclude this area. Now just leave this figure. Just leave this figure because it is very less. So we leave this figure. That means the area on which the grass has to be planted, area G, area or on area on which the grass has to be planted is equal to a area of rectangle minus area of pond. Okay, now this is equal to 120 minus 7, that is equal to 113 meter square. Now you see that 120 minus 7 is 113 meters square. Now this area, the outer area, excluding this pond, is 113 meters square on which we have to plant the grass. And one bag covers 5 meters square. So if one bag covers, if one bag covers 5 meters square, so how many bag will have to be covered? Now it is very simple. It is very simple. To cover the this area, we have to divide this 5 with this. Okay, 113 divided by 5 is equal to 22.6. It will become 22.6. Now this is bags. This is not in square. Now you see 22.6. When you will go to the shop, you will not be able to get zero point 0.6 bag. Rather, you will have to buy whole bag, and that is 23 bags. And if you leave this zero point 0.6, some of the area will be left. So you have to buy the higher amount. Okay, 23 bags will be enough to cover this whole area. Okay, now you must have understood how we practically manipulate that area with the tiles or with the bricks or with the grass or whatsoever it is. So this is the procedure. Now to the next question. Proceeding to the next question. Now, my dear students, I just forget to write the exercise. The exercise is 7.2, and the question which I have raised is question number 3. Okay, I just raised is question number 3. Okay, now question number 4. Now question number 4. The same method will be applied on this question, as I think. I have not read the question as yet, but I know that something or area has to be found except this triangular hole. The diameter shows a road sign. If a triangle is to be painted white and the rest of the sign will be painted red, calculate the area covered by each color to one decimal place. Okay. Now this is white, and the this triangle is white, and rest of the circle is red. Now this is a traffic sign. I don't know either what kind of sign it is, but I am concerned with its dimension one. Now this dimension is given zero point 0.5 meters. 0. 0.5 meters. And the base of the triangle is given zero point 0.4 meters. And of course, the radius or diameter should have been given. Yes, it is given, and it is this is a complete square. Now this is how much? 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. Oh, since this whole circle is red, except this part, this triangular part. Now this triangular part has to be painted white. The rest of the part will have to be painted red. Now we have to uh, buy, or we have to assess that how many what quantity of paint should be applied to what quantity of paint of red is required, and what quantity of white paint is required to paint this. Now the since we have to find the area of both the things, the triangle, the red. Okay. Now the area of triangle, area of triangle is half base into height. I always tell you to write the formula. Okay. Now it is equal to half base is 0.4 and multiplied by height is 0.5. Okay. So it will become, now this will be cancelled with this, it will become 0.2. 0.2 multiplied 0.5 will be 0.2 decimal places. Now this is 2 decimal places. 1, 2. And 5 2 to that times is 10. So it will become like this. Now this, you see that this is at 2 decimal places. We have to show that this is equal to 2 decimal places. And of course, whatsoever is the unit with the square. Now the of circle, area of circle, again we have to make it half, pi r square. So 3.14 multiplied by 0.6 the whole square. 0.6 the whole square. Now this zero point 0.6 square will be 0.36 multiplied by 3.14. Now this will become 1 point. Okay, now you see that this area is of the whole, this area is of the whole circle. But what we have to do it, we have to exclude this area because this area will be painted white. So we have to exclude. So again, the same formula, area of red. I can say it, area of red should be equal to area of circle minus area of triangle. Now it is equal to 1.13. Okay, just leave this, forget this, minus 0.1. Now it will become 1 only. Just again, now area, now red area is 1 meter square and the white area is 0.1 meter square. 1 meter square and 0.1 meter square. The area which have to be painted white is 0.1 meter square. The area which has to be painted red is 1 meter square. Now proceeding towards the next question is 16 identical circles are cut from a square sheet of fabric whose side is zero point 0.4. Find the area of leftover to put. Now let me just erase this part only. Now question number 5 of the same exercise. 16 identical circles are to be cut from a square sheet. Now we have a square sheet. Now this is a square sheet of maybe of a chart paper or whatsoever it is. Now we have to cut 16 circles, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and similarly 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are 16, 4 times are 16. Now what is given here is fabric whose, no, this is a fabric, okay, this is a fabric cloth, 0.4 meter long. Now this is 0.4 meters. Now from here to here it is 0.4, okay, meters, of course. And we have to cut these 16 circles from this. We have to make holes in this, 16 holes, maximum holes, and we have to find the leftover area. Okay, my dear students, now just imagine that these circles are not like this, like I have drawn. Now these circles are like this. Now let me draw these circles very carefully. Now this is the circle 1, this is the circle 2, this is the circle 3, this is the circle 4. Okay, not going outside, yes, this is inside over here. Now my dear students, all of the circles are like this, touching each other. Okay, just imagine that. Now you see that this point, what was the point 4? This is point 4. Okay, 0.4 meters. This is 0.4 meters. Now just imagine that the diameter of four circles is zero point 0.4 meters. Now what is the diameter of one? Just divide it by 4. It will become 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter is the diameter of one circle. Now this is 1 meter. And of course, what is the radius? Radius is equal to 0.5 meter of each circle. Diameter is 1 meter, 0.1 meter, sorry, 0.1 meter, not 1 meter, 0.1 meter, 0.1 meter, and of course, when it is 0.1 meter, it will become 0.05. R will become 0.05, 0.05 meter. Zero point 0.1 meter because 0.1, 0.1, 2, 0.3, 0.4. Okay. Now the radius is equal to this, and since we have found the radius, so this radius is equal to, we have to find the area of this circle. So pi r square. Now area is equal to area of one circle. Area of one circle is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 0.05 the whole square. 0.05 the whole square. 0.05. So it will become 3.14 multiplied by, you see that there are four decimal places now. 1, 2, 3, and now this is your. Now when we multiply this figure with this 3.14, it will become multiplied by 3.14 is equal to, that will be equal to 0.00785. Okay, now this is the area of one circle. Now this is in meter square. Okay, since it is given in meter square. So multiplied with 16. Multiply these with 16 because we have 16 holes. So 0.00785 multiplied by 16. Okay, 0.1256 meters square. Now the total cutouts, 16 cutouts will be this 12.1256 meters square. Now what was the question? The question is find the area of leftover fabric. Now what was the area of the fabric? The area of the fabric is area of the fabric. Now area of fabric is equal to 0.4 the whole square because length multiplied breadth, these are same, so it is converted into s square. So it will become 4 times 16, that will be 0.16. So the leftover fabric will be, now this is the whole fabric, the area of whole fabric, and the left, and we have already cut these. This is point. Okay, now we have only left with 0.4 meter square fabric. We have only left with 0.04 meter square fabric. Let me do some correction in this. Since the area is this, so I have to put two zeros over here also. So this will become 4, this will become 94, and this will become 3, 0. So you can also take this 0.03 meter square. Leftover fabric is 0.03. The last question of Anna and her friend usually order large pizza. The large pizza had diameter of 24 centimeters. This week they want to eat different things on their pizza, so they decided to order two small pizzas. The small pizza diameter, they want to know if they're the same amount of pizza, too small. So this trick is done by most of the pizza suppliers. Now, what is the trick of the pizza makers? That they offer you two small pizzas instead of one. And believe me, you are in loss because you see that these are two small pizzas and this is a large pizza. The area of this pizza is greater than the area of two small pizzas. The area of this large pizza is greater than two small. Yes, it is one. These are two, but the area is greater. If we add these two pizzas together, the area of this pizza will be even more than that. Now let me have this example in your question number 6. Question number 6. The large pizza has a diameter of 24 centimeters. Now the diameter of this pizza is 24 centimeters and the small pizzas are 12 centimeters each. Now this is 12, this is 12. Now see that the Anna and her friend are losing something or they are uh, gaining something. So we'll just compare that if I add the area of two pizzas and with we compare the area of this pizza, will we be in profit or will be in loss? So area of smaller pizza, area of one smaller pizza, one smaller pizza is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 12 the whole square. It will become 3.14 multiplied by 144 because square is 12 multiplied 12. 144, okay, multiplied 3.14. Now it is equal to 452.16 centimeters square. The area of one pizza is 452.16. Now, since there are two pizzas, so we have to multiply it with 2. So, we have to multiply it with 2. It will become the total of two pizzas, the area of two pizzas. Area of two smaller pizzas is equal to 904.32 centimeter square. Now, what about this single pizza? गलत हो गया भाई यार स्केयर हो गया. Now, my dear students, let me tell you that how the pizza makers cheat you. Okay, now area of one small pizza. Area of one small pizza. The diameter is 12 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter. This is also 12 centimeter. Therefore, radius of both is 6 centimeter. Radius of both are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. And the radius of this is 12 centimeter. Okay. The radius of larger pizza is 12 centimeter. Now let me find the area pi r square. That is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 6 the whole square. That is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 36. 36. 6 times is 36. Okay, now 3.14 multiplied by 36. Now this is equal to 113.04 centimeter square. Now the area of one pizza is 113.04 centimeter square. When multiplied by 2, it will give you the area of two smaller pizzas. Okay, two smaller pizzas will be equal to, just multiply 80622. Okay, it is good. Now the area of two smaller pizzas collectively are 2 and 226.08 centimeters square. When the area of only one pizza, the larger pizza, area of the larger pizza is equal to pi r square. Again, that is equal to, let me take it a little nearer. So it will become 3.14 multiplied by 112 the whole square. Okay, because that radius is 12, so it will become 3.14 multiplied by 144. The square of 12 is 144. So multiplied by 144, it will give you 452.16 centimeters square. Now you see that how they cheat you. Now the area of collectively two pizzas is half of this, exactly the half of this, and they cheat you that we are offering you two pizzas instead of one, where one large pizza has the area of 452 and two smaller pizzas are equal to 226. Then you are in a great loss. So my dear students, they want to know if there is the same amount of pizza. No, there is not the same amount. No, the answer is no. The, we are in loss with two smaller pizzas. We should buy one larger pizza instead of two smaller pizzas if there is an offer of such kind. If there is an offer of such kind, so you just reject two smaller pizzas and just buy one larger pizza. Okay, my dear friends, this is all for today. Uh, Hope that you are learning and learning fast. So it's time to sign off now. Signed off. Okay. See you in my next lecture. And next lecture, I have already done some of the. It is 7 point. No. Okay. The next is our 7.3. So we'll be doing very soon 7.3 exercise. So till then, it's Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Bye.